Kwa nini unataka kurudi nyuma? Maisha ndivyo yalivyo. Kwa nini unataka kukata tamaa? Dunia ndivyo ilivyo. Ipo neema ya Mungu. Ipo neema ya Mungu. Ipo neema ya Mungu leo. Ipo neema ya Mungu. It's coming to the month of We're coming to the month of June. I don't know why I'm excited. Hello guys, I haven't even said hi. How are you? How are you my subscribers? How are you my non-subscribers? How are you my viewers? How are you everybody if you come across this video? How are you? How are you doing? I hope you're okay. I'm here to bless the month of June. That is it. That's all I am here for. I'm not advising anybody today. I'm not talking about anything today. I'm not talking about myself. I'm just here to bless the month of June because I have this spirit that it's going to be a very good month. It's going to be having a lot of challenges, but ipo neema ya Mungu. The grace of God will carry us through. Say amen. Say amen. Let me tell you guys. I have this spirit, I have this feeling that it's going to be a good month. Do you have that feeling too? Me, I do. I don't know why. All of a sudden, I feel that spirit. I'm a very, very spiritual person. Yes, I'm very spiritual. I feel things so intensely. And I've had this feeling today that tomorrow is date 1st. It's going to be a very, very great month. It's going to be, obviously, challenges will always be there, but the bigger the challenge, the bigger the blessing. Okay, it is what it is. We are going to conquer it. Ipo neema ya Mungu leo. Ipo neema ya Mungu. Ipo neema ya Mungu. Ipo neema ya Mungu. There will be grace. Kutakuwa na neema kali sana, and we are going to be here for it. Okay. And I'm going to be here for it too. Are you going to be here for it? Yes, you will. So guys, I want to wish you the best come May. Come June. Come on, Nancy. You know, I'm all excited. You see now, I'm beginning to contradict myself because I'm overwhelmed. So come the month of June, I wish you all the best. All the best that this world can bring. Every challenge. I won't tell you that there will be no challenges. There will be challenges because life is maisha ndivyo yalivyo. Dunia ndivyo ilivyo. So challenges has to be there, but the grace will be bigger than the challenges. So we are going to make it through. We are going to conquer. We are going to be happy. We are going to be, okay. In this life, as far as you are somewhere you're comfortable, you can eat well, you can dress simply but smart. Thank God for it. It is all in saying thank you. Okay? It is all in great. There is power in being grateful. I've come to realize there is so much power in being grateful just for the small things. I was being told by people. I was hearing people say that and I was like, please. But I've experienced it. There is so much power in just being grateful for what you have. However small it is. Just for the fact that you are alive. That is enough to say thank you. You need to be grateful and to be happy. You don't have to you don't have to place your happiness on something because things don't last. Things of the world don't last. Okay? So place your happiness on the fact that you're breathing. That is enough to make you happy. Because once you stop breathing, then, okay? I won't say then what. But always remember that if you wake up in the morning, command your day. Tell God that this day is going to be good, and it surely will. Because I've tried and it's working. Every time you wake up, before you step your foot on the floor, say, Lord, this day is going to be good. Not I hope. No, command it. This day is going to be good, and it surely will. So for me, I'm commanding the month of June. So the month of June, this month is going to be good. My tongue today is heavy again. I don't know why it gets heavy. I think it's when I'm overwhelmed. That's when it gets heavy. But we are going to do this anyway because we are not giving up anytime soon. Okay? We are not giving up. Tunapingana na hizi shida zenye zinakuja. Life is full of challenges. It's just the way life is. It brings in the balance. You know, you can't be happy or sad. You have to be happy, sad, happy, sad. So that would be a kind of what is it called? A break-even point. You know, a balance. Okay? And again, it's the same case. You can't be all rich. You can't be all poor again. You know, there has to be poor, rich, medium, you know, to bring some kind of break-even point, some balance. Right? But for me, as far as where I'm living, it's clean and it's comfortable. For me, I feel I'm comfortable. And I can eat food that I've cooked myself and I can enjoy. I can wear something like this, simple but smart. I'm grateful for it all. Yeah, I am. And so should you. So the month of June, welcome, honey. I'm waiting for you. We are waiting for you. We hope you bring us, you know, great blessings. Okay. And whatever challenges you bring for us, we shall pambana with you. And apologetic. Okay? Yeah. So today I'm all over the place. Actually, I'm very excited for whatever reasons, I don't know. But I just feel excited. And so I said, let me welcome a new month in style. Because why not? Right? We started doing budgeting from my previous video. Next video, I'll find for something else to talk about because the last video, you people really responded well. So next time I'll make another video step to step of financial management and whatever. But for today, let us celebrate the fact that we're done with May. We have seen the last day of May and we should be grateful. Okay? Yeah. So the next month starts tomorrow and we should be ready for it. Okay? Are you ready? Me, I'm ready. You should get ready also. Yeah. So thank you guys. Today I don't have much. I wish you everything great. The desires of your heart, may they be met. You know, just may you be happy. May you know, I don't know. May the wishes of your heart, your dreams, whatever, come true for you. And for me too. Right? Yeah. Thank you. And thank you for being here. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I'm waiting for you. Have you? Hit the subscribe button. I'm waiting for you. I'm not doing anything until you do. So, have you subscribed? Thank you. Okay. Like, comment, anyone? Thank you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. I'm truly grateful. I'm over 100,000 views. Imagine. Thank you. Thank you. So, I want to tell you goodbye for today. I'm done. I'm excited. I don't even know what to say. Hata sijui niseme nini. I'm just like all over the place. Because I'm happy and I thank God I am. Thank God I am. And so should you. I offer you my energy. Take it. And enjoy it. As much as you can. We're here to stay, right? We're here to stay. Despite whatever may come, we are here to stay, right? Yeah. I'll be talking about, various things, mental illness, economy, because I'm kind of there in between. Yeah. So you'll see me. But for now, let's just enjoy the fact that we have seen the end of May in grace and in good health. and happy and content. Right? Ai haikuji bana. Ai imekata. Anyway, goodbye my people. Thank you and have a good, blessed Sunday. See you next video. Share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's form a community of pure, free-spirited individuals who seek to understand, not to judge. The theme, seek to understand, not to judge. Alright? Goodbye, guys. Have a good day and a great month. I wish you all the best and everything in between that this great life can bring. Bye. Ciao. Ako kaimbo kalikuwa kanaenda aje? Acha tukaimbe kidogo. Kidogo tu. Kidogo tu. That it is. Tukamalizie video. Kama leo maisha ndivyo yalivyo. Kwa nini unataka kurudi nyuma? Dunia ndivyo ilivyo. Kwa nini unakata tamaa leo? Maisha ndivyo yalivyo. Kwa nini unataka kurudi nyuma? Dunia ndivyo ilivyo. Ipo neema ya Mungu leo. Ipo neema ya Mungu. Ipo neema ya Mungu leo. Ipo neema